What a time to be alive. And what a time to be alive, look. What a time to be alive. It's just a time to be alive, look. And what a time to be alive, look. What a time to be alive, look. And what a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. For my path from in denial in this river that I follow. Soak my head inside a bottle when it came up like a tower. Cleansing water, dripping water, blood, but still my heart is sour. Me and mama bumping heads, it's like a scene from Russian Hour. Felt like leaving school a couple times from pain I saw inside her eyes. I don't vocalize my every move, shit, I believe in science. See, I don't need to wear another suit to show that I got size. I swear the tongue is mighty powerful. When niggas using cheats, a nigga found myself another code. The streets is cold from all the gangster norms that been through bullet holes. They left a hole in so much families, and now they all alone and thinking what they've done and could have done to fill this rabbit hole. Exposed to trauma since a little kid. They think I'm living bold. I'm putting words together from a dome that's been through thunderstorms. I'm putting words together from the shit that ain't nobody know. Pain I never show, I advocate for all the fucking people that ain't got a voice. Whoever thought that ugly boy, that rap would be the one that saw the void inside your inner soul. Be seeking hope, receiving satisfaction by these dirty hoes and rolling skunk. The only way I seem to get a piece of hope, cause ain't no love at home. My daddy left, I'm forced to hold the drum. Conflicted frustration, I'm bracing inside of my vocal cords. That's why when niggas ask me how I'm doing shit, I don't really know. Yeah, what a time to be alive, look. Hey, hey, what a time to be alive. Feel like, what a time to be alive, look. Shit, hey, what a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. Hey, hey, what a time to be alive, look. Hey, what a time to be alive. Hey, what a time to be alive.
Reminisce oor Izo en Raisa was ook in hy kar. 15 dae later kreeg Connie toe sat onverwachts. Gevoel my hele lewe zijn oornag. Onderskat my nou, maar jy gaan sien hoe ek nog trap. Lincoln is ook weg, bullet bounce af van die hek af in sy hart. En 1, 2, 3, toe vat hulle om body weg. Wailen was hy eens betrokken, is sy lewe so gevat. Oor is al het ek gesien hoe steek hulle vir baba in sy hart. Was een light in het verstaan, die ambulance kom is niks dag. Kyle en Keanu gebore en gesterf is alle dag. Cousin is ook weg, dokter sê sy longe het collapse. Hy het ek expect, was nog nou die dag aan my trip. Eerste nooit diezelfde om soos hy uit te brand. Mis julle allemaal op julle watch oor my soos tyd aangaan. Van een lightie tot een man, drug hoe ego in hoe sak. Ek is ook maar net een man, as net soveel wat ek kan vat. Melodic pijn, die lijf was uitgeskryf, so gaan ek ook maar met die wave. Your intentions, sê my wat jou intentions saam in my. What you give is what you get, en ek kom al dier heavy rains. Dit ek het te doen, so baie weg, but I'm alive today. Ek is die voice van die wat stil bly, maar als relate. My grootste vrees is ek eindig op in 'n early grave. As so baie dirty ways om kroon te kyk, my music is my passie van geboorte af. Fok jy uit, doen wat ek moet doen, zodat my future kan bright wees. Hulle try my limit. Maar wat 'n tyd om te lewe.